Hey there, if you're dreaming of exploring Europe, you already know the Schengen Visa process can seem, well, a bit intimidating. But what if I told you there's a way to make it simple, fast, and stress-free? That's where Polytravis swoops in and saves the day. Let's break it down step by step. First, you contact Polytravis, just WhatsApp at +2347078892808 or email info@polytravis.com or polytravisa@gmail.com. You can also visit our website polytravis.com to get started. Polytravis will walk you through every requirements, help you gather the required documents, and assist you on booking your appointments. No more confusing forms or missed details. Polytravis doesn't just fill out paperwork. Polytravis actually boosts your approval chances by making sure every single document is on point. Polytravis know exactly what embassy officials look for in 2025 and how to avoid the most common mistakes. Polytravis know time's precious, so Polytravis keeps you updated every step of the way. Just imagine, less headache, more excitement, and a way better shot at that golden Schengen visa. Ready to make your travel dreams a reality? Reach out to Polytravis now, WhatsApp, email, or website. It's all in the description below. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to click subscribe and tap that notifications bell so you never miss a tip. Watching on TikTok? Smash that plus sign below Polytravis logo to follow. And if you're watching on Instagram or Facebook, give us a follow too. Your European adventure starts here with Polytravis.